Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to find indicators on Tradingview. This is a great way to discover tools that can help us analyze the market and improve our trading strategies. Let's get started. On the Tradingview dashboard, to find an indicator, all we need to do is click the indicator button in the upper left part of the screen. Here, we can see our indicator options. Once we click this, we will see a list of many indicator options. We can access our own indicators, view scripts we have written, and see invite-only indicators that can be purchased from the store. We can also find built-in indicators, fundamentals, editors, top indicators, and trending options. Once we have chosen an indicator, we just need to click it, and then it will appear on our chart. That's how we find indicators on Tradingview.